Hold on to your drones, folks, because the internet is buzzing with leaks about DJI's highly anticipated Air 4. We're diving deep into the rumor mill, uncovering potential specs, design changes, and groundbreaking features that could revolutionize the drone world. From whispers of 8K video recording and obstacle avoidance systems on steroids to sleek new designs and improved flight times, the Air 4 is shaping up to be a game-changer. But are these leaks legit? We'll analyze the evidence, separate the hype from the reality, and give you our expert take on what to expect from the Air 4. So buckle up, drone enthusiasts, because this ride is about to get exciting. DJI Air 4. Design and build quality. The DJI Air 4 boasts a sleek design that refines the compact and lightweight build of the Air 3. While maintaining a portable form factor, it introduces improved durability with upgraded materials. The Air 4 also incorporates foldable arms for easier portability, making it ideal for travel and outdoor enthusiasts. Compared to the Air 3, the finish feels more premium, enhancing the overall user experience. Camera and image quality. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 4 is its dual camera system with enhanced sensors, providing better low-light performance and higher resolution. It delivers smoother video capture at 4K per 120 frames per second and supports 10-bit HDR for vibrant color grading. Compared to the Air 3, the Air 4 has improved dynamic range and sharper details, making it a significant upgrade for content creators. Flight performance and stability. The Air 4 features upgraded flight algorithms and stronger wind resistance compared to the Air 3. Its enhanced propeller design reduces noise while increasing flight stability. The improved obstacle avoidance system, now with omnidirectional sensors, makes navigating challenging environments safer and more intuitive than before. Battery life and range. DJI has pushed the boundaries with the Air 4's battery life, offering up to 46 minutes of flight time per charge, slightly longer than the Air 3. The enhanced transmission system extends the range up to 20 kilometers, providing uninterrupted control and live video feed even in remote areas. These improvements cater to longer, more adventurous shoots. Software features and usability. With the Air 4, DJI introduces more intelligent shooting modes, such as an advanced active track and a new cinematic preset. The interface on the updated DJI Fly app is smoother and more user-friendly, making it easier to access features during flight. Compared to the Air 3, the Air 4 feels more intuitive for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Pricing and value. Although the DJI Air 4 comes at a slightly higher price than the Air 3, the added features and performance enhancements justify the upgrade. It strikes a fine balance between affordability and professional-grade capabilities, positioning itself as a compelling choice for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography. Connectivity and control enhancements. The DJI Air 4 introduces improved remote control features, including enhanced signal strength and reduced latency through O4+ transmission. With the updated RC2 controller, users experience smoother and more precise maneuverability. Compared to the Air 3, the Air 4 also offers better integration with the DJI Fly app, ensuring a seamless connection and an intuitive flying experience. Portability and travel convenience. Building on the Air series' reputation for compactness, the Air 4 is even more travel-friendly with a lighter frame and redesigned carrying case. Its foldable design ensures easy packing for trips, while faster setup times make it perfect for spontaneous adventures. Compared to the Air 3, it's slightly more refined in portability, appealing to frequent travelers and on-the-go creators. Conclusion. The DJI Air 4 is a worthy successor to the Air 3, offering significant improvements in camera performance, flight stability, and battery life. Its premium design and upgraded software features cater to both hobbyists and professional creators. While the price is slightly higher, the value it delivers makes it an excellent investment for capturing stunning aerial footage. Whether upgrading from the Air 3 or entering DJI's ecosystem, the Air 4 sets a new benchmark in the mid-range drone category. That's it for our deep dive into the DJI Air 4 leaks. What are your thoughts? Do these rumored specs and features excite you? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more drone news, reviews, and exciting content. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!